Welcome to Abstralbras. In this video, I will show you how to delete watched videos on Facebook. To do that, open Facebook app from Facebook homepage or your profile page. Tap your profile icon, select Settings and Privacy, select Activity Log, select your Facebook activity, select Posts option, select videos you have watched. You can remove the videos selectively by clicking three dots icon and selecting delete, or you can clear all watch history by clicking this link, clear video watch history. Clear video watch history and watched videos history will be removed. And from the mobile, open Facebook app, click profile icon, press settings and privacy, scroll down. Under your activity, select activity log, select your Facebook activity, select post, press show more button, tap videos you have watched, and here your videos will be listed that you have watched. You will be able to delete them individually, or you can press this trash icon to delete all those videos from here. I have deleted these from desktop, so I can't see any video here. But this is how you do it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.